Hey, good morning guys. Today we are actually heading over to the snow, but not in the Supra because rear-wheel drive and snow aren't really the greatest. So we're gonna go ahead and say goodbye to the Supra and hello to all-wheel drive. This is Phillip's Golf R32. You guys saw it on Instagram, you'll remember it. What's going on, man? Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
And we're gonna head to the snow here in this beautiful all-wheel drive. Much more tameable in the snow than my Supra, for sure. So good morning. Today is a much different day. Today we're doing something completely different with actually a new person I've never really introduced to the vlogs, but my boy Phillip right here. We are in his Golf R32. This is a 2004, and this thing is quick. It's all-wheel drive, so this is the main reason why we're taking it out to the snow. The Supra definitely is not going to handle the snow at all very well. As you guys know, rear-wheel drive in snow isn't always the best, especially if you don't have the right tires. So taking this out, hopefully if we see some snow, this is going to be perfect. But as well too, I wanted to do a review on this car before I really introduced it, but I guess this is going to be your guys' first time seeing the car. And this thing is not your typical Golf R32. This thing is full bolt-ons, big turbo, making how much again? Like 450-ish?
So it's going to be around 450 to 460.
450 to 460 wheel. And if you saw this on Instagram, we actually got a run in with the Supra. Unfortunately, since this is his first time really doing stuff like that, he doesn't really know how to brake boost, and getting him boost in this car is definitely key compared to the Supra. That thing just spools off the bat. So we're definitely gonna have to get a rerun, but if you guys want to check that out, check it out on Instagram. We took a nice trip to Mexico, had a nice little fun run, but I know that if this guy knew how to brake boost or was in boost a lot better, that would have been a much closer run than we anticipated for. But other than that, this is an insane build. We'll showcase a few pulls in here. It's my first experience in here. This thing is definitely a lot louder than the Supra, as you guys can hear, and it's a beast. It's truly a beast. So we're gonna hopefully see some snow today. It's just gonna be a nice little cruise, and yeah, we'll let the day continue as we go. Handle ASAP. Oh man, that's all-wheel drive hits different for sure. That feels so good. Holy. not gonna lie. We got the windows down for the dramatic effect, but it is quite cold. It's for sure. It's a
little chilly.
Just a little, right? Just a little chilly. Man, you think you're spitting flames at all?
I think so.
Yeah?
Someone told me once.
Once, yeah. No, I can imagine, because those are some pretty loud pops. I don't know how well the camera is capturing that, but those are pretty loud. I figured I'd kind of face the camera this way, kind of just see our point of view, or kind of not really our point of view, but facing us, and seeing how well this guy goes at it. But also kind of hearing the tone of the car. Now, I know you guys can hear it from the front for sure, but I feel like, at least facing this way, you can really get those exhaust notes. This thing definitely sounds good. And I didn't know that these things are...
I'll give you heads up next time.
Yeah, no, you're good, you're good. I didn't know these things were not 4-cylinders. I always thought that all the GTIs and R32s were 4-cylinders. I didn't know that like the 2004s and 2003s were, you said the VR6s, right? Yeah, VR6s, so they're 6-cylinders, which, dude, this thing sounds amazing, and it's boosted too. Oh, okay. I appreciate Phillip, because I know he's taming, being a lot more civil. I know you can't really tell, but we're just getting some slight slides and no full drifts right now. And to be honest,
down the mountain, it's a little bit safer.
Yeah, okay, yeah, because I know it's a little sketchy around here, but it's still kind of nice to experience this. I'm not a good passenger, as you guys know, especially from when Anthony took me up the mountain in his Type R, and I'll pop that video up here. And so it's crazy, because now we're kind of a year later, and this time we're not in the Type R, we're actually in this Golf R32 in the snow, and a little bit safer than, I guess, front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive for sure. But yeah, a different experience, and especially me being passenger, you guys know how I react. So much different feeling. Woo. But we got some more clips for you guys in this once we get into like a little bit more of a safer tamed area. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that turbo. That thing sounds so insane. Woo. So we're just taking a quick little break right now. Figured I'd kind of do a little walk around of this beautiful thing. Beautiful, very beautiful. So you guys can see the roads are nice and icy. This thing is handled for sure. Ooh, got some snow, nice in the wheel well there. Yeah, this is Phillip's Golf R32, guys. You know, I really hope you guys liked the video, because the stuff I do for the footage, I'm freezing right now, and it is definitely, I don't know if you can see it snowing, but it's snowing right now for sure. Woo! All right, heated seats activated for sure. Well guys, that was a pretty gnarly adventure. For sure, a pretty sick experience, especially being passenger. And I want to thank Phillip too for calling me out, giving me the opportunity to come too. I've never been in a car all-wheel drive in the snow like this, and also sliding like this too. So this was pretty sick. As you guys know, I'm not a really good passenger, and I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I really tamed myself this time compared to the last few times.
I think for the record, he did just fine. He didn't get sick.
Yeah, I didn't get no car sick or anything. I didn't freak out, but this was definitely pretty sick. I definitely held a lot of my confidence into Phillip, and you know, he's been doing this for quite a few times, so I trusted him. I trusted him. But it was pretty sick to experience it. I hope you guys enjoyed it from your guys' point of view. And again, thank you guys for watching today's video. This was an awesome experience, and we'll definitely do more stuff like this. And hopefully, before he sells this, because he does plan on selling, unfortunately, this R32, we can do a full review on it when it's not snowing, and we can actually get some dry weather and see some pools in this thing, because I know for sure, for a fact, this thing probably feels amazing when it's able to actually gain traction and go. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, that family. I'll see you guys in the next one.